9:15:05. The day I solved the Rubik's Cube. I finally figured it out. Yes. Mother. Okay, to solve this one. 9:15:05. That time is wrong. It's approximately an hour and a half off ahead, so it's probably like 9:30. And I've been sitting here for about 4 to 5 minutes working on this cube. And I only need to move these two squares right here. But everything else is one color. So I've got the greens, the reds, the yellows, and then the whites, the blues, and the orange because of these two cubes are messed up. Stay tuned for further notice.